doing another installation video of the PACKTALK Edge from Cardo Systems because I got a new helmet, and this is a modular helmet. It is from Scorpion and it's the AT960. The installation is slightly different, so I thought I would take this as an opportunity to show you how to do it. First, if you're interested in getting any Cardo unit, you're free to use code MOTOGAL, MOTOGAL, and get a discount. Moving on, the box comes with, got things up here, a plate and a clamp. It also comes with two microphones, the wire. This is for helmets that are full face, and this is for 3/4 helmets, I believe, and modular helmets like this one. So we will be using this one today, not the wire. It also comes with standard charger. Ooh, the JBL speakers, great sound, great quality. The air unit, there we go, and the mount. This is where you put the unit. It's magnetic, pretty cool. So it's easy to transfer your Cardo unit from one helmet to another. Oh, and alcohol pads, velcros. Okay, so let's get into it and install the new Cardo. Okay, this next step is not exactly necessary, but if you have one of these donuts lying at home, use it. Just so you don't scratch your helmet while you're installing the Cardo unit. I'm gonna give you a better look so we can start removing the cheek pads and everything in there. Okay, so we're gonna start by putting these round velcros where the speaker pockets are. There's one on each side. Next, we're going to grab our JBL speakers, and you'll see that one has a longer cable than the other. This is short, this is long. The short one is gonna go on the left side of the helmet because that's where the unit is, and the long one on the right. Now you don't want a bunch of cables just in your helmet, so what you can do is remove the headliner, and except for this one, and just tuck it back there in a neat way. Okay, this one is going to connect to the mount, so leave it out. Okay, and then we're going to secure it. You hear it click. There we go. Now let's install the microphone. Now, if we were installing the Cardo on a full face helmet, we would be using the wire microphone and just putting it here. But since this is a modular helmet, we're going to use the hard microphone instead. Now, in my opinion, this is probably the trickiest part. Luckily, this microphone is fairly flexible, and so is this clamp here. You can rotate it. So what I did is play with the position of the microphone for a few minutes until I thought the microphone was somewhere around where my mouth is going to be once I close the helmet. Now remember, we are installing the microphone on the left side of the helmet because we have to connect this to the mount and the unit. Now, once you know where you want your microphone, make sure that this arrow here is facing your mouth. Like, this should not be facing this way. It should be this way. So once you know where you want your microphone, grab a rectangular Velcro and stick it in there. And then after that, stick the microphone. Once you put it on, you can easily adjust the microphone to just move it around and make it more comfortable, just in case it's around your nose or your chin. But you do want to make sure that both this part and this part have some Velcro to latch on. Now let's install the plate for the mount. Now all my other helmets have a clamp that you just slide in between the shell and the plastic and fabric down here, but I'm not going to use it this time because I don't believe that this is less than 5 millimeters, which is how thick this clamp is. Instead, I'm going to use the plate and I'm just going to clean it with the alcohol pad and stick this here. Note, if you decide to get this helmet from Scorpion, they do have their own sound system. You can remove this part here and then install their unit. Once the area is clean, you can remove both plastic covers from the back of the plate. I want mine here. Once you install it, oh, I forgot to mention, the thick part goes towards the back and the, I guess, thinner one goes towards the front. Next, we're gonna grab our mount and we're going to slide this part here. That easy. We're going to connect the mount to the microphone and to the speakers. That easy. That's it. Now I'm going to tuck in these wires under the cheek pads and we'll be done. We can test it. That's it. Now what I'm gonna do is organize these cables and reinstall the cheek pads. And the moment of truth, I'm gonna put it on and see how it fits. Here we go. Ooh, I like it. It's not in the way of anything. Oh, I love this helmet. And the easy part is just the air mount. If you have any questions, let me know. And if I forgot to mention that if you want to get a discount at Cardo Systems, don't forget to use code MOTOGAL. Thank you.